Alright guys, what's going on today? My name's Kurupt, that's K-U-R-U-P-T, Vapors, V-A-P-O-R-S. I'm coming at you guys with another juice review. This one, it's 13 Wolves. They're kind enough to send over some stickers. And the juice that this came in a nice little tin box. Today's in 3 flavors. Again, nice padded box. Description card, I absolutely love it. And 3 flavors. As you can see, the 3 flavors are Bounty, Alpha Wolf, and Wolf Cub. Bounty says the nectar of a ripened peach brightened by the slight tart and creaminess of Greek yogurt. That's the first one we'll be trying here. Again, this one's called Bounty. I had a little bit of a mix-up with shipping with this company. Shipping was fast. We had a little mix-up with one of the bottles, but I contacted a rep over at 13 Wolves, and they were quick to fix their mistake. So I have to give them a 10 for that. Their customer service is on point, and to me that is everything, especially from a buyer aspect of everything. Customer service is everything to me. So I do have to give props to Leonard over at 13 Wolves. Thank you very much, you killed it. So let's jump right into this. This first one I'm going to be smoking, vaping on is Bounty. The smell is amazing. I smell peach so much. Even tastes good. Again, this one's Bounty. I'm running everything on a quad coil build. IPv4S, Royal Hunter RDA. Let's jump right into this. This is Bounty. The vapor production's there. I'm not sure the VG-PG ratio of any of these, but they are all 3 milligram nicotine levels. They taste pretty damn good. Again, this one's Bounty. It's a nectar of a ripened peach brightened by the slight tart and creaminess of Greek yogurt. I smell peach right off the bat. On the inhale, I taste the peach. On the exhale, I taste yogurt. Greek yogurt to be exact. If you've never tried Greek yogurt, do so. It's amazing. It's good. It's creaminess. It's very creamy. I wish this had more peach in it though. I'm not a big peach fan, but the peach could be more. It could be more overpowering, I guess you could say. Just have a little bit more peach in it. It would taste perfect because you don't taste the peach on the exhale at all. You taste all Greek yogurt. Definitely more peach. But the vapor's there. The taste is there. All of these bottles have childproof caps. It's amazing. I think every company should have that, as well as a description card. I think every company should have that as well. So I give them a 10 with that. Excuse me. Again, this one's Bounty. The peach could be a little bit more, but this is a pretty damn good flavor. I taste more of a, instead of a Greek yogurt, I taste more of a yogurt with like the fruit at the bottom. That's exactly what it tastes like to me. Those old school yogurts from back in the day with the fruit at the bottom. That's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes amazing. The next one we're going to be jumping into, this one's called Wolf. Sorry, Wolf and Cub. Description of this is a fresh brulee layered cupcake with a touch of taro. Again, taro is like it's big in Hawaii. Okay, the chop. I tightened it too tight. There it goes. It's like a root vegetable dessert thing. It's weird, but I have tried taro before. It's not a bad thing. I like it a lot. But let's jump right into this Wolf and Cub fresh brulee layered cupcakes with a touch of taro. I taste the caramel right off the bat. The brulee, the caramel. It's different. To me, it's too caramely. I don't taste the taro at all. I taste the brulee with a hint of the cupcake. I also taste, the aftertaste is more cupcakey to me. The inhale, the exhale, I taste the brulee, caramel, creaminess. I don't taste much of the taro though. I smell the taro though, so I guess you could have more taro in there. Again, this is just my review on what I think. It might be different for you guys because you guys matter too. But check out this company, 13 Wolves. Their flavors are on point. They really are. See, I got a vape of taro on that one though. Let's try that again. Yeah, not much taro. Fresh brulee right off the bat. The caramel right off the bat. On the exhale, I get the cupcakey taste with the caramel as well. Caramel, sorry. And then the aftertaste, as you sit there and it's cupcakey. You get a hint of taro on the exhale. But again, that was Wolf Cub. Last but not least, it's called Alpha Wolf. These are all great names. I love them all. Alpha Wolf is a warm, sweet banana fritter drizzled with rich milk caramel. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, I smell banana fritters right off the bat. I love banana anything. If you have banana, I love it automatically. So let's see if they killed it with this. Again, I'm using everything on IPv4S with a Royal Hunter RDA. And again, this one's Alpha Wolf. It's a warm, sweet banana fritter drizzled with rich milk caramel. If you guys want to get a hold of this company, it's 13wolvesco@gmail.com. 13 Wolves 2015. And let's vape this one, Alpha Wolf. And see what we think of this banana. I taste banana on the inhale. I love it. It's amazing. It's not overpowering. A lot of companies overpower banana like crazy. It's very sweet. It's very like a ripe banana on the inhale, and you You get that fritters taste on the exhale with a little bit of caramel. Again, not overpowering. It's on point. Wow. That's money. That's so damn good. Excuse me. Again, that's Alpha Wolf. That banana flavor is on point. Again, not overpowering, not too much banana. It's nice, warm, sweet banana flavor on the inhale, fritter on caramel on the exhale, with an aftertaste of banana fritters. That's perfect. I love it. I give this company a 10 for everything. Childproof caps, the smell's there, the taste's there. It's amazing. It really is. I'm not sure the VG/PG ratio, but they did send a description card. That's a 10 in my book. I think every company should do that. Again, with this nice little case, also amazing. I would love to see what this company will come out with in the future. I would love to do a review on them as well. And if you guys want to get in contact with this company to buy your own, I will put a link in the description below of their either social media sites or their website, or where you can buy. Again, or if you want to get in contact with them personally, it's 13wolvesco@gmail.com. This company is on point. It's amazing. I just received this the Bounty one day before yesterday, and Saturday I think it was, and I smoked on it for a few days until today. I let it breathe. I have not let it steep yet. I did let it breathe off and on for about 4 hours. I will be doing another video of this company after I've let all the flavors steep for about 5 days. So you'll be expecting another video in about a week, and hopefully it gets so much better. I mean, I don't think it can get any better, but we'll see. Again, thank you guys. Subscribe. Tell your friends, aunts, cousins, sisters, brothers. I do have some music for you guys while we take this out, and we can vape on. Again, 13 Wolves.